Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that everybody took the minute to click on the video and watch it. If you're new here, hi, my name's Becca. Very nice to meet you. I hope you find something you like about the video. Think about subscribing, give me a like, perhaps leave me a comment. Anyway, my Jeffree Star summer mystery boxes finally came in. Now, I will put a picture in. My boxes got lost. They had to be resent. So I have been waiting and waiting and waiting. So they're finally here. So I thought I would give you one last unboxing of summer mystery boxes. And I guess we can see what colors I got different than other people did. I've seen the unboxings, so I know what to expect. I can say I am a little disappointed. I was hoping for a makeup bag. I got a fanny pack. And I was hoping for one of my lip glosses to be the Lord Star color, the metallic purple. Oh, it's just a beautiful color. So I did not get those, but I will show y'all what I did get. First of all, I did purchase the summer crop top hoodie. This is absolutely fabulous. I am a very much hoodie person. I love my hoodies. It's a little weird not to have the pocket, I will say that, but it covers quite a bit. It stops about this far above my belly button, but I do have a rather long torso and then long legs, and everything on me is just long. So I do like this shirt. Absolutely beautiful colors. I will be wearing this summer after summer into fall and then pull it back out summertime again. I love it. So let's go ahead and get in here. I did purchase one of the mini mystery boxes for $25, and I purchased the Deluxe Box for $100. You always get a postcard when you purchase from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the postcard that I got. Absolutely beautiful. This is the new Pink Religion release. And then, of course, my receipt. I did cut the boxes. I did go ahead and peek and open like the lip gloss, so I'm not sitting here struggling with it. But we were not a pink ticket winner. I don't really know if there's anybody who won the pink tickets. I'm still waiting to hear about that. Anyway, $25 box, and you get 4 items. So I got the exclusive lipstick, a lip gloss, an eyeliner, and 2 individual singles. So the singles that I got are Cute, which is out of the Jawbreaker collection. And then Wealthy, which I believe is out of the Cremated palette. These are my first singles. So I don't know what I want to do with them yet. I do own all his palettes, so I don't know. The eyeliner that I got looks like this. I've not used any of his eyeliners yet. And it is in the color that I wanted. It's the neon green color. Money Counter is the color. Very sleek packaging. Nice point. And then there is that color. And it stays. I mean, it stays. So I have high hopes for this. And I got the color that I wanted. So I was super excited about that. Do excuse my presence. It is my day off, and I just wanted to get these loaded and up so that I can start using some of these products. So this is the exclusive lipstick. It does have the new ranch symbol for Jeffree Star at the moment, so the exclusive does not have a name. And even if I don't like the color for my lips, I can always use it on my eyes. There is the color of it. It's a pretty color. It's very nude, which is never a bad thing, especially for Jeffree Star. He is not, he's not really known for his nude shades, but there's that color. It's a super pretty color. I will definitely wear it. And then the lip gloss that I got is, of course, from the Orgy collection, and this is in Mouthful. Which, like I said, I was hoping for the Lord Star lip gloss. This is a super pretty color. It's like a gold, pink, blue, sparkle, silver in it. In the light, it totally looks beautiful. I don't even know if y'all are going to be able to see that. Oh yeah. So there is the color of that. I'm sure that I will use it, but anyway, that is what was in my $25 box. I was super happy with it. I mean, the mystery boxes are always just that. They're a mystery. I know people are extremely ticked off about the Supreme box shirt. Let me tell you, I did not buy the Supreme box. I spent a little over $135 and got 2 boxes, 12 products. I would have liked the mirror, but it wasn't a necessity. I would have also liked the beach ball, but not a necessity. But the shirt I thought was super cute. If you got that shirt, you know, put some holes in it. Lace it up, use some lace, use some ribbon, use some leather, whatever, you know, make it your own. So many people are complaining about the shirt, but nobody's thinking outside the box. That's my 2 cents. Okay, this is the deluxe box. In here, I think you got 8 products. It comes with the yellow paper. And the first thing we got was the Jeffree Star Z palette to put all your singles in because he insists on giving so many of them. These are my first ones, but I know that they have been in a few of the boxes. So, there's that. Speaking of singles, let's go ahead and go over the ones in here. So we got the color Licorice, which is also in the Jawbreaker palette. The color Extraction, which is in the Blood Sugar palette. And the color Ice Tray, which is one of my favorite colors in the Blue Blood palette. So I'm not upset. I mean, I got 5 colors to start out my new palette. Okay, so we got the lip scrub in the flavor Pink Grapefruit. I like grapefruit, so I will definitely be giving that a try. We got the lip balm. This is a tinted lip balm in the color Bloodstain, which was the one that I was hoping for. The other one is a brownish color. Either one of them. His lip balm formula is amazing. It's creamy, it's soft, it's hydrating. So either one of them I would have been happy with. But it's just a tinted lip balm. I was okay with it. I know a lot of people were mad about it, but like I said, that's neither here nor there. It's a gamble. And then we got a Velour liquid lipstick in the color Celebrity Skin. I don't have this color. I think this is Jeffree's favorite color. It is a nude, very, very nude color. For my complexion, I would probably use this to ombre in with another color, just because of how light it is and my skin tone. I mean, I don't think that would complement me by itself. Then the other gloss that we got is the Beaded Glass color, again from the Orgy collection. And this one and the other one look super, super the same. But, you know, it's gloss. You're gonna usually put it over something. This one has more of a gold reflect to it. So that is it. And that is the other one. So I can definitely tell the difference now. But his glosses are nice formula, so, you know, I will eventually get the one that I want. So for my bag, I got the Blood Money Alligator Skin fanny pack, which I said I wasn't going to open it. I wasn't going to use it because it's not what I wanted. I wanted a makeup bag. Out of all the stuff I have of his, I have no makeup bags. I would love the orange one, but at this point, any of them will do. But it's super cute. I mean, super, super cute. I can always put it over and just, you know, wear it as so. But I will use it, I guess. It's cute and it's green, you know. I have a thing with green anyway, so, you know, it has his emblem. It does have a zipper in the back, which I totally love. It's a pocket. My bad, I thought it was a 2-access entryway, but it is not. love the way that he packages this, though. It does have the Jeffree Star emblem inside with a little zipper compartment, and the zipper on the outside zips very nice and does have a cover that covers your zipper, which I like that. I always worry about my zippers catching on stuff and have had it happen, so I appreciate that. So that's the bag I got. And then, of course, the last thing in here is the Star Ranch palette, which was the whole reason for ordering the box. That, and I love his mystery boxes. They're fun. So the outside, people have talked about it feeling like wood. It feels exactly like wood. It does have the name of the palette on the side, which I appreciate. Not all of his palettes have that. So unless you know what palette is what, you know, you can't stick it on his shelf with the name facing out. And that just might be a OCD Virgo thing, but I'm one of those people, so there is that. And I think the palette is just beautiful. The pink horse and the yak, just, I love it. It's like a Barbie finally went Wild West. It does have the new Star Ranch emblem on the back. The mirror is absolutely beautiful with the two guns. And then those, of course, are the colors. It's super pretty. Super, super pretty. He did say it was very wearable for everyone, and I can definitely see that. I think it will make some beautiful, beautiful looks. I like it. So that was what I got in my boxes. If you got the boxes, comment down below. Let me know. Were you happy with your boxes? Were you upset? Do you feel like you wasted your money? You know, are you a Jeffree Star fan? All of the above. I appreciate the continued support of people watching my videos. Do come back. I did get my Pink Religion palette in today also, so that will be coming up. I got my August base box for BoxyCharm in, so that will be coming up also. And then I got all of the new palettes from my add-ons that I will definitely be reviewing. I have a hair on me. So come back, check it out, subscribe to the channel, leave me a like, comment down below, and as always, y'all stay beautiful, and remember, nothing is impossible. Even the word says I'm possible. So until next time, guys, mwah.